This is your Fly Rod Chronicles Time for Education, presented by the state of West Virginia. Curtis Fleming here with Fly Rod Chronicles. Hey, today we're going to talk about getting your hunting and fishing license before you get to the field or the stream. You know, as a hunter or fisherman, it's your responsibility to know the rules and the regulations, and it's your responsibility to get the right hunting and fishing license. You know, even a country boy like myself can go to a computer, a laptop, or even a mobile device and get your hunting and fishing license. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop over here to my laptop and we're going to obtain my hunting and fishing license today and teach you how to do it. It makes it a lot easier to have it done before you get to the place you want to hunt and fish. All right, I'm at my computer. First thing you do, if you're my age, you put your glasses on. Next, you go to Google. All right, then you type in wvfish.com. For you guys that don't have a license, you're going to have to go in and you're going to have to create an account. And it's going to ask you date of birth, where you live, things that is on your driver's license. And then once you're in our system, you won't have to do it anymore. You'll have a nice, pretty account like mine. So over here I have manage license and view older history. I'm going to go to purchase a new license. All right, I already have all of the fishing license and stamps that I need. I've already got my hunting license, but when you have your hunting license, you got to buy additional stamps. I'm not going to buy an additional firearm buck stamp just because, but I am going to buy a residential bear stamp. So I'm going to click on the resident bear damage. All right, and I'm going to go up here to add item. All right, go up to my shopping cart, and then I'm going to proceed to checkout. Then you have to put your address in under review address. It's already got mine in. At your transaction, if you agree, click that and pay now. And you're at your last stages. This has got all your personal info, your credit card info, and you're done. They make it simple and easy. You know, thank you to West Virginia DNR and the state for making this easy, painless. You can have it done, no more waiting in lines at Walmart, or if the sporting goods store is open or closed on Sundays. You can do it right here at home before you even get to our state or get to your favorite hunting or fishing spot. So happy hunting and fishing in the great state of West Virginia.